Here with Ian Hughes, manager of Aberystwyth. So you had about 100th goal. Where was the celebration?
Yeah, no, it's not about me. So that there's no celebration from me. It's about the players. And yeah, I think somebody said to me before the game that if we score four tonight, it'll be my 100th league goal since I arrived. But as I say, the players have done great, and the players are celebrating on me.
With difficult circumstances, with injuries, suspensions, cracking performance tonight.
Yeah, it's been tough. It's been tough all week, to be fair. We knew there were suspensions coming up, and we had a couple of injuries. Stephen Wright, to be fair, has played with a pain barrier tonight for me because he needed to do that for us. We've got players playing out of position. We've got players such as Steph Williams, who was excellent, and his first start of the season. So all in all, a good, competent performance from a squad. Not necessarily a starting 11, but we've got a squad here now.
And 2 moments of magic by Venners.
Yeah, and that's what he gives you. He was the difference in the first half. And once he does that, it gives you a platform, but I'm sure Chris Venables will be the first to tell you that without his teammates, he wouldn't be able to do what he does.
And then typical centre-forward play by Jonah. Takes it strong, takes tackles, gets a goal. Perfect.
Yeah, to be fair, he got his defender in a 1v1, he got him into the box. So obviously as a defender, you don't want to be defended in a box because obviously a mistake and it's a penalty. And he's come inside on his left foot and he scored a great goal. So he deserved that for his excellent performance and work rate today.
And finally, lead up to TNS. They won 5-0 tonight.
Yeah, it'll be a tough game. I think when I started at the start of the last season, I think we're probably closer to TNS now than what we were then, and I think that's testament to the players. But it's going to be a tough game. We go there full of confidence because we're doing well ourselves. But we know obviously they've got a good home record. But we were close to causing a little bit of an upset here a few months ago. So let's see how far.
3 teams take points off them so far.
Yes, so 3 teams are taking points off them, and obviously we're one of them. But obviously we take everything for granted. We know how difficult the game will be, but we'll be going there full of confidence.